Hey, I have a great new word for you. Now, it's a super long word and it's very difficult to pronounce. Are you ready? It's aw. Yeah, just that. Aw. Can it be any more simple than that? It's the sound you make when you see a cute puppy. Aw. So repeat. Aw. That's right. That's it. So now, what does it mean? It means amazed, speechless. When you see something incredible, unbelievable, you are in awe. Maybe you know the word awesome. Awesome means great or fantastic. Well, awesome comes from awe. So when you are in awe, you make this face. Yeah, come on, let me see you make your awe face. Oh, that's good. Okay, now let's use awe in some sentences. Repeat after me. When I saw the Grand Canyon, I was in awe. Good. He was in complete awe of her beauty. Nice job. Okay, so now you have learned a new word to impress your friends and colleagues. And hey, with this word, you don't have any excuse for not learning it. You can't say, oh no, it's too long, or oh no, aw is too difficult to pronounce. You just open your mouth and say, aw. Hey, whoa, too close. Sorry about that. Well, if you liked this video, please considering liking it and subscribing, or subscribing and liking. I can never remember where the buttons are, but I'm sure you can find them. And remember, every day you are getting better and better. Bye-bye.